To make our crochet star, we start with a magic ring, and from that part we make 2 chains. So 1, 2. Now we have to do 15 half double crochet inside the magic ring. So 1, 2. I'll keep doing the half double crochet and I'll come back. Okay, so I came back with my 15 half double crochet, and we are going to pull the tip of the yarn to close it, to close the magic circle. Remember that we started with 2 chains. The first one was the knot to close the magic circle, and now we are going to make a slip stitch in the second chain that we started in order to close this magic circle, like this. You see? From that point on, we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and from the second chain we make 1 single crochet, a half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and a treble crochet. And you see that we created the first tip of the star. We skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, you see, we skip this first one, the second, and insert the hook in the third one. Make 1 slip stitch here, and here it is. So we have to make this same procedure 4 times here. So we're going to have 5 points of the star, and I'll do that and I'll come back. Okay, I came here before finishing the 5th tip of the star. Skip 2 stitches and insert the hook in the third one, close it with a slip stitch, and here it is, our cute star. You cut this yarn and finish off. There's a video here in which I teach you how to finish it off. And here it is.